Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sleek, fast, and battle-proven, the F-16 Fighting Falcon has dominated skies for decades. But what makes the 2025 version of this iconic jet so advanced? Today, we're diving deep into its main components and their jaw-dropping costs. No engine talker, just the brains, body, and bite of the bird. Let's take off. At the core is the airframe, lightweight, strong, and shaped for speed. Built from advanced composites and aluminium alloys, the 2025 F-16's body is designed for durability and stealth. The cost? Around $18 million, just for the frame. Next up are radar and avionics. The F-16 now packs the IN/APG-83 subracer radar, offering incredible target tracking and jam resistance. Coupled with modern flight computers and multifunction displays, it's a pilot's dream. These systems? They'll set you back $10–12 million. Step inside the cockpit and you'll see a fully digital set, color displays, a new helmet-mounted cueing system, and voice command tech. This isn't just comfort, it's combat efficiency. All this tech? Around $2 million. Fly-by-wire isn't new, but the 2025 F-16's flight control system is more responsive and resilient. It processes thousands of adjustments per second, keeping the Falcon stable and agile. Estimated cost? $1.5 million. Narrator, let's talk firepower. The F-16 supports AIM-120 AMRAAMs, JDAMs, sidewinders, and more. Add an M61 Vulcan cannon with 6,000 rounds per minute. With full loadout and targeting systems, you're looking at $5.8 million just in weapons tech. It's not all speed and fire. Rugged landing gear and advanced hydraulics handle brutal carrier and runway landings. Precision parts, shock absorbers, and retractable systems run up to $1 million. To survive modern battles, the F-16 packs advanced electronic warfare systems, chaff, flares, radar warning receivers, and jamming pods. Defense doesn't come cheaper. This suite costs around $3 million, so what's the total, without the engine? You're looking at roughly $40 to $45 million. For that price, you get a fast, lethal, and incredibly smart machine ready for 21st century air dominance. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the F-16's components, hit like, subscribe, and let us know which jet we should cover next. Until then, a clear sky.